the snake. Across cultures, religions, and civilizations,
A cobra has been called many names. A demon, a monster, a symbol of evil,
and even the face of death itself. But what if everything? A snake does not waste energy. It does not fight unless it must. It does not hunt for pleasure. Every movement has a purpose. Every strike is calculated. In less than a second, a snake can decide where to strike and how much venom to inject, whether prey will live or die. Some snakes can kill an adult human in under 30 minutes. Others can crush the life out of animals larger than themselves. Most snakes will never bite a human in their entire lifetime.
So why do we kill boa constrictors on sight?
Movies show them as aggressive killers, hunting humans for no reason. But in reality, snakes do not chase or hunt humans. More than 95% of snake bites occur in defense. Snakes bite because humans step on, corner, or try to kill them.
Even the creature we fear most knows fear. Imagine a world with no king cobra snakes.
Rodents would multiply uncontrollably. Crops would fail.
Diseases would spread faster. Entire ecosystems would collapse. Snakes are not villains. It is balance, silent, invisible, necessary. Unlike mammals, snakes are born into a world with no parents. No protection, no guidance.
Most baby snakes die within weeks. Survival is rare. Smartest and luckiest survive. Why this documentary matters. This is not a story about horror. This is a story about evolution, survival, fear, misunderstanding.
We will uncover how venom really works, why snakes strike, and how they see the world.
And why they deserve respect, not hatred. By the end, you may still fear king snakes, but you will never see them the same way again. Because the truth is simple. The snake is not evil. It is only doing what nature designed it to do. Long before humans learned how to make fire, before the first cities were built, before fear had a name, snakes already ruled the shadows. They exposed the body, so nature removed them. The birth of the snake body. With hundreds of vertebrae and ribs, snakes gained incredible control over movement. They could climb trees, swim across rivers, and crawl through holes smaller than their own heads.
Unlike other animals, a king cobra snake's jaw is not fixed. It is flexible, disconnected, expandable.
This allows snakes to swallow prey larger than their own head. Nature created a creature that does not chew.
Nature created a rattlesnake that does not chew, it consumes. Slowly, silently, completely or forever.
It became more complex, more deadly, more precise. Some venom destroys muscles, some shuts down the heart. A single drop can be enough to kill. Yet venom is not evil. It is efficient. Snakes see the world differently. Some species evolved infrared vision. Snakes survived mass extinctions. They outlived dinosaurs. They adapted when others disappeared. Because snakes waste no energy, attack only when necessary, hide instead of fight. They are not aggressive. They are patient. And patience is the deadliest weapon of all. Evolution without emotion. Snakes did not evolve kindness. They did not evolve cruelty. They evolved effectiveness. No unnecessary movements, no wasted energy, no emotion during the kill. When you look at a snake today, you are not seeing a modern animal.
A striking king cobra snake is not a mistake. It is one of evolution's greatest successes.
You are looking at a design refined over 100 million years. A body shaped by fear.
The cost of perfection. But perfection has a price. King cobras cannot run from danger.
The anaconda's body is ready. Its senses are sharpened. Its weapon is prepared.
It must hunt. And when a snake hunts, nothing is left to chance. For most animal, birth is a moment of safety. For snakes, it is a death sentence waiting to happen. There is no welcome, no protection, no mother to guide them. Born alone in a hostile world, a baby snake enters the world in one of two ways. The keeping. Some hatch from eggs buried beneath soil, leaves, or sand. Others are born alive. The moment a snake is born, it is completely alone. The mother leaves, not because she is cruel.
The first minutes decide everything. Within minutes of birth, a baby python. Must breathe down.
If a predator sees it, the story ends. Birds, lizards, other snakes. A newborn snake is soft. Its skin is thin. Its body is weak. And yet, with prayers. A newborn snake is soft. Its skin is thin. Its body is weak. And yet, snakes do not learn from parents. They learn from pain. A failed hunt teaches hunger. A close escape teaches fear. An injury teaches caution. Every movement is shaped by experience. Those who make mistakes do not survive long enough to repeat them. The first hunt is rarely successful. A baby snake must choose when to strike, how close to get.
The first hunt is rarely successful. A baby green anaconda must choose
When to strike, how close to get, when to flee. Strike too early, you'll miss. Strike too late. When it finally succeeds, the reward is life itself. Food is not comfort. Food is survival. When it finally succeeds, the reward is life itself. Food is not comfort. Food is survival. Out of hundreds of baby snakes born in a single season, only a few will survive.
Nature does not protect the weak. It removes them. This is not cruelty. This is balance.
Nature does not protect the weak. It removes them. This is not cruelty. This is balance. Snakes don't rely on vision alone. They actually see through heat, vibration, and scent. Some species have heat-sensing pits that detect the body warmth of prey.
The powerful python's strike is not a movement. It is an explosion of force.
venom injects, and the snake releases. The entire attack is over before the prey understands what happened. Snakes kill in two main ways. Venomous snakes inject poison into their prey.
Paralyzes nerves, destroys tissue, stops the heart. Constrictor snakes rap.
Unlike popular myths, constrictor snakes do not break or crush bones. They cut off blood flow to the brain. Unconsciousness comes in seconds. Death follows quietly. Many venomous snakes bite, and then retreat. This is not fear, it is strategy. Holding on to a struggling animal can cause injury, so the snake waits for the venom to work.
Then it follows the scent of death.
snakes do not chew their food.
Digestion can take days, or even weeks. During this time, the snake is vulnerable.
One small mistake by a black mamba can lead to death.
Hunger controls everything. A hungry green anaconda takes risks. A full green anaconda hides. A powerful python, known as the hunger snake, decides when to hunt, what to attack, and when to flee.
Some survive nearly a year without food. Patience keeps them alive.
Failed hunts. A western diamondback rattlesnake strikes at a mouse but misses. Not every strike succeeds. Missed strikes waste venom. Escaped prey means hunger. A snake that fails too often, does not survive long. Hunting is not guaranteed. It is earned. Killing without hatred. Corn snakes do not enjoy killing.
Muscles take energy to move. Every hunt is a gamble. And in the wild, mistakes are fatal. Hunting keeps the snake alive. But survival demands more than food. Because in nature, the hunter is never truly safe. Only about 600 are venomous. Fewer than 200 are dangerous to humans. Yet almost every snake is killed on sight. Fear does not ask for facts. These snakes rely on constriction, strength, and patience.
Pythons kill by constriction, not venom. They avoid humans whenever possible.
Anaconda. The heaviest snake on Earth. Attacks are extremely rare.
Strikes with overwhelming force. Despite myths, anacondas do not hunt humans.
Mildly venomous anaconda snakes. Some anaconda snakes have venom, but it is designed for small prey, not humans. Bites may cause pain or swelling, rarely death. These snakes would rather escape than fight. King cobra, the longest venomous snake in the world. Highly intelligent. Capable of raising its body to look a human in the eyes. It does not strike without warning. Its venom can kill an elephant. Yet it prefers to flee.
Black mamba. Fast. Aggressive when threatened. Deadly.
Its venom attacks the nervous system. Without treatment, death can come in under an hour.
Fear of the black mamba is justified.
but attacks are still rare.
Vipers. Short fangs. Long reach.
Vipers rely on ambush and camouflage. Their venom destroys tissue, causing extreme pain. They strike only when stepped on or cornered.